Welcome to Krannich Solar. My name is Katharina Wolf and today I'm introducing the new commercial storage system ESS PowerMagic from Sofar. A modular all-in-one solution for commercial and industrial applications. The ESS PowerMagic is available in both 400 volts and 690 volts versions. It combines high energy density with a smart plug-and-play design. The system is fully pre-configured, which allows a quick installation. Thanks to its modularity, the system's capacity can be expanded and multiple units can be connected in parallel. Special attention has been given to safety. The ESS PowerMagic consistently separates the electrical lines from the cooling lines and features a 3-stage fire safety system. This includes flammable gas detection, a liquid cooling system with condensation protection, and an integrated venting system for pressure relief in case of malfunctions. This ensures the system meets the highest safety standards, even under demanding conditions. With its IP55 protection class, the PowerMagic is suitable for universal outdoor installation. The Integrated Energy Management System, short EMS, enables intelligent control of the entire commercial storage unit. It supports various operation modes such as optimized self-consumption, scheduled operation, peak shaving, and emergency power supply. Automatic grid switching is also included, ensuring that the PowerMagic remains reliable even in critical situations. Thanks to the integrated remote monitoring, fast fault detection and clear status displays, the system is very maintenance-friendly. System states and faults can be identified, allowing for a quick response and maximum availability. For commissioning commercial storage systems, Krannich Solar offers a comprehensive support service, including a preparation checklist, which you can find directly in the Documents section in our webshop. We've also linked a contact form for a consultation on commercial storage solutions in the video description for you. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.